Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on activating Google Assistant by saying Hey Google on REALME Note 60. Firstly, go into settings. Now tap on the search bar and search up Assistant and go into Assistant settings. Now Hey Google on voice match. Now tap on this switch. And right now I'm not going to read what's written here. I'm just going to skip and agree to everything, but obviously you should read before agreeing each time. And as you can see, it has been enabled, and now let's try if it works. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Oh, it doesn't work the best. Hey Google. Hey Google, hey Google. Yeah, oh, it worked. So it doesn't work the best, but it works. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.